How to fix Outlook not showing new email. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. In your Outlook, if the new mail is not being popped up, first and foremost, go ahead and tap on your user icon. From there, go ahead and check out your inbox and make sure to refresh it time and again. Make sure to check on both focused and other. Also, to make sure you are not missing out of any of the email, tap on your user icon once again. Then you can check for junk as well. In here, if you have mistakenly deleted it, your mail would be right here before the 30 days. If it does not work yet, firstly check for the Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is acting up, you can switch into a cellular data or turn on your airplane mode for about 3 seconds, then turn it back off. After which, go ahead and refresh it again. Still, if the problem exists, head back from here. Then press and hold onto your application, then go to App Info. Tap on the 4-stop button and OK. Head to Storage and Cache and tap on the Clear Cache button. Then again, try with the checking of the email in your Outlook. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.